Alright, so let's set up your sewing machine. First, you need to place it on a flat surface. Next, make sure your pedal is on the floor, laying flat in a comfortable position for you. And finally, turn it on. Next, we're going to need to wind the bobbin right here. Next, take your thread, place it right here. Then to wind up this bobbin, all we're going to do, thread through this hole. Then we place it right here, and we push it back. It's going to wind up as such right here. Then just push it back, take it off, and cut. Alright, now time for the top thread right here. Just follow the instructions on your sewing machine. They're pretty clear. They should tell you how to do it. This one goes right here, down around here. Like such. And then now just slide it into the needle. Pull it tight. Slide it back. Now we're going to need to put in this bottom bobbin. Slide this cover back. Next, read the instructions on your own sewing machine. Again, it is pretty clear, but we're just going to slide this in. Gotta get it in a little groove. Get it in the little groove, pull it back, cut it, and you are good to go. Now you always want to do a test stitch before you actually start sewing to make sure everything is working. But that is essentially it. So thank you guys.